Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will talk about some GK questions and answers on chemistry. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notification. So, let's start. Which element is used in antiperspirant deodorant? Aluminium is used in antiperspirant deodorant. Which ions are responsible for hardness of water? Calcium and magnesium ions are responsible for hardness of water. What is the chemical name of oil of vitriol? Sulfuric acid is the chemical name of oil of vitriol. Which gas is referred to as laughing gas? Nitrous oxide is referred to as laughing gas. What is the number of hydrogen atoms in a molecule of calcium bicarbonate? Each formula unit of calcium bicarbonate has 2 hydrogen atoms. Salt is obtained from seawater by which process? Salt is obtained from seawater by the process of evaporation. Which element is used to make the coils used in water heaters? Nichrome is used to make the coils used in water heaters. It is an alloy of chromium and nickel present in proportions of 80% and 20% respectively. What is the chemical symbol of gold? The chemical symbol of gold is Au. What is the color of copper sulfate? The color of copper sulfate is blue. Which metal was earlier called Ulform. Tungsten was earlier called Ulform. Which mineral is also known as fool's gold? Pyrite is also known as fool's gold. Which gas is produced when metals react with dilute acids? Hydrogen gas is produced when metals react with dilute acids. What is the chemical symbol of arsenic? The chemical symbol of arsenic is As. What is the chemical name of the salt found abundantly in seawater? The answer is sodium chloride. What is the symbol of tin? The symbol of tin is Sn. What is the dominant chemical present in vinegar? Ethanoic acid is the dominant chemical present in vinegar. Which gas causes rancidity in food products? Oxygen gas causes rancidity in food products. Which is the more common name for solid carbon dioxide? The answer is dry ice. What is the popular name of ascorbic acid? The popular name of ascorbic acid is vitamin C. Methane is colorless, odorless, non-toxic but flammable gas. What is its common name? Mars gas is the common name of methane.